Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this we're going to talk about some of about other functions that you guys have might haven't seen. So let's get started. So the first function that I want to talk about is the exponentiation function, which takes a number. For instance, would be the base. Let's start by using 2, which is a number. So let's use the number 2. So if I want to have this number by the power of another number, you could use this you need to add 2 heuristics to do that. So the power 2 at the power 5 is equal to 32. Okay, so that's correct. So if you want to see how many bytes 64 bits is capable of handling, you could do yeah this huge number, which is huge. See, 32 bits. Okay, so this is 4 billion, which is how many bytes you could store using 32 bits. So we have this power of function. We have the absolute function, which returns the maximum number. Always return a positive number. Okay, the absolute function. Let me see. We have, yeah, you guys could use the poll function, which works the same way as this, but is actually easier to do that using the poll function. Okay, we have the square function. Let me see if I not. Let's import math. Okay, so let's import math and math dot. Let me see. So if you guys want to check out all the math functions, you could import math. So you guys can see that we have sqrt, which returns the square root of some number. For instance, let's test with the number 9, which returns the value 3. So there's a lot of functions, guys, here. So if you guys want to check out all of those different functions, you guys should definitely use the math module in Python. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys next time.